So this week I was involved in a hit and run on the interstate with an 18-wheeler transfer truck. I am okay. However, my Tesla Dashcam did not capture the footage. So in today's video, I want to share with you what you need to do to ensure that the footage is being recorded when you need it the most, and I'm starting right now. So on Thursday morning, on my way to work, there was a transfer truck on the right side of me, on the left side of me, cars in the front, cars in the back. So essentially I was boxed in. I was using autopilot, but I can assure you my eyes were on the road. And one of the transfer trucks began to swerve. And being in autopilot, my car essentially just smoothed over just a little bit. However, remember, I was boxed in, so the car could only move so far. On the interstate, we hit a curb. The truck that was swerving grazed my car right here on the passenger side. So the mirror is like broken. It not loose under there. This plastic or whatever material this is cracked. The door got moved just a little bit because this is no longer flush. My finger is hidden right there. There is no damage on the side. However, a brunt of it looked like the truck grazed right here. There is no significant dent. It's just a graze. It is dented here though. You can see that indent, and all of this is knocked out, so will need to also be replaced. After all of that, I got behind the truck and I start blowing my horn, flashing my lights, trying to get his attention, like, hey, move over, you just like grazed me, you were swerving. And it's true when people say if you get in an accident in a Tesla, it's a different type of feel. I felt safe the entire time. My only thought at the time, which I said out loud too, was really. So a few seconds after I got hit by this transfer truck, I start getting messages about sensors and everything else. I was just a few minutes from work anyway, so I decided just to go on the drive to work, see what happened, get the dash cam footage, make a police report and all of that. Whenever I pulled up the dash cam footage, the sensory footage was there, but there was no dash cam footage. It was inactive. Then I went back to the settings just to see like why wasn't it on. And you can see right here, it is set to auto. So I was like, it should have recorded because there was an event. But here it was telling me that it will save up to 10 minutes to the car or to the USB whenever an occurrence of safety occurs, such as a car accident or airbag deployment. So technically, by me being grazed by an 18-wheeler, the car did not detect that as a car accident. And of course, the airbags didn't deploy, so the car did not record. However, I did blow my horn. I didn't have the record on honk, so the car did not enable that. So in the moment, I did think to get my phone too and take a picture of the truck, but you can see here on the screen that the photo is not the best pixelated photo of the license plate, so I couldn't make it out. But in the moment, I was like, well, my car is recording it anyway. I'm just going to take a picture just to be on the safe side. If anything ever happens on the road to you in your Tesla and you want to be sure that your car is recording, this is exactly what you need to do just to be on the safe side. Whenever your car is in drive, if you press this right here, it is now recording. As simple as that. Just press that button anytime that you feel like something is not going right, because now I had so much more explaining to do to my insurance company, to the police, because I didn't actually have the dash cam footage. So I pretty much had to recreate the picture that I was in my lane and this truck came over and swiped me. And also, before commenting on what you would have done, what I should have done, what I done wrong, you really don't know what you will do until you're in that moment. So I did the things that I thought about when I was in the moment. The insurance adjuster will be coming out on Wednesday just to price everything. I will continuously on the channel update where we are whenever the car is in the collision department. However, you don't want to miss any of that, so be sure you subscribe and check out the video right over here about all things related to your Tesla, and I will see you in the next video.